Hi, Larry here again at Chesapeake RV Solutions. We got another new arrival for you. This is a Vengeance Rogue 327 SUT by Forest River. It's actually a toy hauler, so you do have the garage in the back. And one thing that's nice, you notice that upper door? It goes to your pass-through, which is here, but they also have these tie downs in your pass-through, which is actually nice. Electric awning, I think that's like 21 foot, and you got your scare light, the blue LED lights in the arm of the awning. You do have more storage on the side. 327 SUT. It does have the leash latch for your pets. Outside speakers. You do have the foldable steps here, but they do have the little solid stance jacks that you can put under there. More ride or the Rogue solid step going up. I think that's pretty cool how they do that. You do have a light in the back as well, so when you're loading up. And it is wired, pre-wired for a camera. Spare tire underneath. Coming across is actually a fueling station for your toys. Show you the non-door side. 2 slides in this unit. And this is 40 foot. Basically 39 foot 11. Oh! Got an on-demand water heater. Let's go inside and see what this Rogue has to offer. Coming in from the door, first thing you notice is the zebra blinds, and that's in the living area. Of course, you do have the dinette there, the L shape. Nice touch having those footrests there. Coming across, you also have your pantry and a 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. Nice amount of room in here. Nice touch with the drawers. Looking across, that's where your TV can go. Also your hutch area, your kitchen, nice cabinets. Nice microwave. Glass top for your stove. You have your black stainless steel sink with the sink cover, of course, for more counter space. You do have the oversized faucet as well. GFI receptacle. And I like the bar stools. To the garage now. And this is probably a 13 foot garage. And looking at the ramp closed up, you do have the tent ends with the screen in there as well. And of course we do have the bed. That's a manual bed. It's real easy to take down. We have the Happy Jack sofas or couches down below, and that makes into another bed. And so you can actually see about 7 people in here. And you do have another entrance directly into the garage, and you do have a loft in here. Can't really show you that well. One thing I like, I've noticed this year that they're adding is pre-wired for a camera back here, so you can watch your cargo as you're going down the road, because you know, some of y'all got some pretty expensive toys. You gotta make sure it stays secure. Okay, looking in your bathroom, you'll notice It does have that corner spa shower. It also has the skylight if you need it for those vertically challenged individuals. And a little bit of storage cabinet there. Foot flush toilet. Neighbor vanity with a sink. That was kind of odd, but it works. Making our way through the bathroom to the master bedroom, you will see the overhead cabinets, of course. Nice nook over there for your cell phone or a CPAP machine. Nice sized bed. It's probably an RV king, a little bit bigger than a queen. And nice touch, that's your second slide. You can put a TV in here as well. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this Vengeance 327 SUT. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit that we have on our site, please give us a call or come by and see us. And again, here at Chesapeake RV Solutions, we're here to help you create the memory you'll talk about forever.